My name is João Pinto. I'm CEO of ebankIT. It's a great pleasure to be here at New York. ebankIT as a true omnichannel platform, already integrated with the major core banking systems with hundreds of transactions built in. We believe we have one of the best omnichannels platform available in the market, and major banks are already using it with short implementations and agile time to market. Today's realities is that banks must be omnichannel. They must operate on the digital channels. So they must have a centralized and integrated view of the customer, so what the customer is doing on any of the channels. And they have to, to be able to know which channel he wants to use depending on the operation he wants to do. The other key point for banks is to sell more. They have to use the digital channels to increase their sales with the customers. On the customer side, the customer wants to be able to choose which channel he wants to operate depending on the transaction, depending on the location, depending on the device he wants to do. But he wants his information to be consistent. He doesn't want to be on silos. And as well, he wants to transact, he wants to make operations, he wants to subscribe products in a very easy and fast way. So we bring that technology, and here at Finovate, we're going to show you 6 innovations, all before lunch. 6 innovations in terms of the omnichannel. We're going to show you social bankits, augmented reality, and beacons. We're going to show you product subscription, as well as smart watching, and we're going to finalize with voice bankit. I pass the word to my colleague, Silvia. She's going to do demos.
Thank you, João. Good morning. So, this is our mobile solution that, besides the normal banking transactions, has some exciting features. On the social side, we don't transact with complicated account details, we transact with friends. The app integrates with different contact sources like phone, Facebook, and other social networks. I'll show you, for example, the Pay a Friend feature, where I will pay Ralphie 20 euros for yesterday's dinner.
Was it a good dinner, Silvia?
Yes, it was, thank you.
It's nearly done, yes.
So, it's done. And I will add more information to the transaction. For example, I will add a photo of the restaurant bill and I will enable the location for me to remember later. All this information is stored on the transaction history. Another area that we are working is augmented reality, which we see a new way to communicate with our clients. For example, we have a simplified flyer for a term deposit, and we are going to add more relevant information to it. I can see a more detailed information about the product, and the app already used my account information to tell me how much I will earn if I subscribe this product. So one click and I can subscribe it. Fantastic, don't you think?
Great, great.
We are also innovating through the use of beacons. Imagine that the bank has placed beacons near their branches, and I'm walking close to a branch, and my app receives a notification. Looking into the notification, I can see a list of really interesting offers for me. So let's go inside to the branch and talk further. Now, this is our solution to digital sales. This solution is to help the selling process to be faster and mobile. Today, I will show you an account opening using a tablet. Imagine that a relationship manager is creating a new account with product cross-selling. He can add all the documents that are required digitally, and the app will generate the contract for me to sign. So the contract is signed, and I can check if all the information is correct. The process is concluded. The client will receive an email with all the documents. So, as you could see, fast, paperless, and easy. So, wearables are a reality today, and especially smartwatches. And I'm happy that my bank has already an app for it. With this app, I can check my balance, get notifications, and do payments. In this case, I will do a phone top-up.
50 euros?
Yes, I think it's enough.
All done.
So it's done, very quick. So the last solution that I would like to talk to you about is voice banking. We are working on this area for different channels: smartwatches, car industry, ATM, and mobile. João will demo using a Microsoft phone with my friend Cortana.
Welcome. Please input your knock pattern. Pattern correct. Navigating to your accounts. What can I help you with today?
Show main account.
Your main account has $7,700. There are no pending payments.
Make new transfer.
To whom would you like to transfer?
Mary.
How much do you want to transfer to Mary?
$15.
Do you want to transfer $16 to Mary?
Yes.
Transfer executed. What else can I do for you?
Exit application.
Bye. See you next time.
So
Thank you.
Cortana added an extra dollar to Mary. It wasn't on purpose. So we managed to do everything on time. So just to remind you, we are ebankIT. We have a truly omni-channel platform. The key message to the customers and to the banks is that you can transact at any place, at any time, across any channel using any device. As well, banks have to increase their sales. We have solutions for that. So any further information, please come out to our booth. We're very happy to talk about that to yourselves. And as well, in terms of our expansion process, we're looking for partners for different geographies. So please also come and join us. And now let's all have a great lunch. I think I took Greg's line. Thank you very much.